Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home and garden. Today, we're diving into the beauty and benefits of cedar privacy fences and how to choose the right design, decorate your backyard, and estimate the cost. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Cedar privacy fences have become a popular choice for homeowners seeking to create a private and aesthetically pleasing outdoor space. With their natural beauty, durability, and versatility, cedar fences offer a range of design possibilities to enhance the appeal of any backyard. In this video, we will delve into the world of cedar privacy fences, exploring their meaning, benefits, decorative options, and cost considerations. A cedar privacy fence is a type of fencing constructed using cedar wood, a durable and naturally resistant material. These fences are designed to provide a high level of privacy by blocking the view from neighboring properties. Cedar fences are often chosen for their attractive appearance, which can complement various architectural styles and landscaping designs. There are several compelling reasons to consider a cedar privacy fence for your backyard. Here are some of the reasons why choose a cedar privacy fence for our backyard. First, durability. Cedar wood is known for its resistance to rot, insects, and harsh weather conditions, ensuring a long lifespan for your fence. Second, natural beauty. Cedar's warm, reddish-brown color adds a touch of elegance to your outdoor space. Third, versatility. Cedar fences can be customized with various designs, styles, and heights to suit your preferences and needs. Fourth, privacy. The solid construction of cedar privacy fences provides a high level of privacy, creating a secluded and peaceful retreat. Fifth, environmental friendliness. Cedar is a renewable resource, making it an eco-friendly choice for fencing. The cost of a cedar privacy fence can vary depending on several factors, including the size of your property, the desired height and style of the fence, and local labor costs. It's essential to obtain quotes from multiple contractors to get an accurate estimate. A cedar privacy fence offers numerous opportunities for creative backyard decoration. Here are some ideas to inspire your design. First, climbing plants. Add a vertical element to your fence by planting climbing vines like ivy, jasmine, or honeysuckle. Second, hanging planters. Create a colorful display by hanging planters with vibrant flowers or herbs. Third, outdoor lighting. Illuminate your backyard with string lights, lanterns, or solar-powered lights to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Fourth, water features. Incorporate a small fountain, waterfall, or pond to add a soothing sound and visual interest. Fifth, outdoor seating. Create a comfortable seating area with patio furniture, hammocks, or swings. And to complete your inspiration, here these the compilation of the top 10 best cedar privacy fence design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Modern and minimalist. This sleek and contemporary design features clean lines, simple horizontal boards, and minimal ornamentation. Perfect for modern homes with minimalist aesthetics, this style creates a clean and uncluttered look. 2. Rustic and natural. Embrace the natural beauty of cedar with a rustic and natural design. This style often incorporates rough-hewn posts, wide horizontal boards, and a weathered finish. It's ideal for homes with a rustic or farmhouse-inspired aesthetic. 3. Lattice top. Add a touch of elegance and visual interest to your fence with a lattice top. This design features a grid-like pattern of intersecting slats, allowing for climbing plants to grow and create a natural, living wall. 4. Picket fence. The classic picket fence offers a timeless and charming look. While primarily known for its decorative appeal, picket fences can also provide a degree of privacy, especially when constructed with closely spaced pickets. 5. Board-on-board. This design involves overlapping boards to create a solid and durable fence. The overlapping pattern provides added strength and privacy, making it a popular choice for homeowners seeking a reliable and secure option. 6. Herringbone. For a unique and visually striking design, consider a herringbone pattern. This pattern involves arranging boards in a zigzag pattern, creating a distinctive and eye-catching appearance. 7. Arbor. An arbor is a freestanding structure with a lattice top, often used as a focal point in a garden. It can be integrated into a cedar privacy fence to create a more architectural and dramatic entrance to your backyard. 8. Trellis. A trellis is a vertical structure that can be attached to a fence to support climbing plants. This design allows you to create a living wall of greenery, adding color, texture, and privacy to your outdoor space. 9. Privacy panels. For a quick and efficient installation, consider prefabricated privacy panels. These panels are typically made of cedar and come in various sizes and styles. They can be easily attached to posts to create a complete fence. 10. Custom design. Let your imagination run wild and create a truly unique cedar privacy fence. With a custom design, you can incorporate personalized elements such as decorative carvings, custom-shaped posts, or unique color combinations to reflect your individual style and preferences. A cedar privacy fence can be a beautiful and functional addition to your backyard. By carefully considering your design preferences, budget, and local climate, you can create an outdoor space that is both private and inviting. Ready to transform your backyard? Come visit at Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel to get inspiration for your cedar privacy fence project. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.